Welcome to African Village Life. We are cooking village food, village drinks, and others. Our channel is about cooking, entertaining, culture, and everything. Kindly subscribe, like, and share to your friends. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Thank you for 539 subscribers. Way to 1000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe, like and comment. Today we are cooking porridge for breakfast, accompanied by ripe bananas and roasted maize. Welcome. This is an African queen cooking. Remember, in our villages we use firewood. Our sufria are black in color. Welcome, we cook together. Let me know in the comment section whether I am doing good. Wow. Let me know in the comment section how do you cook in your villages. We are located in Embu, Kenya, Africa. Wow, you can see it is a rainy day. Outside is so muddy. Wow, you can see. Wow. We start by boiling water, then we add wheat flour mixed with maize. So you have to boil water first, then tukoroge maji na unga, alafu tuongeze kwa maji ndio tupike uji. We are cooking porridge in Kenyan way, in Kenyan rural villages, in Kenyan ways. We are cooking porridge accompanied by ripe bananas and roasted maize for breakfast. Welcome, let us enjoy it together. Thank you. You can see those are firewood. We have to use an axe so we can prepare the firewood for cooking. Everything in the village we do manually. You can see that is firewood. Wow. You can see the fire is so good. After the water boils, we add the mixture of flour and water. We stir and wait it to boil, and then we add sugar for it to be tasty. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe. Wow. Wow, those are utensils. Wow. Wow. We dry them, our utensils, outside. You can see. Wow, the water has already boiled, so we have to add the mixture of flour and water. We mix it well. Wow. With the boiled water. Wow. We mix it slowly by slowly. Then we add. Wow. You can see. The weather is so cold, so we have to cook porridge in the morning. We are located in Embu, Kenya, Africa. Welcome to my channel. I'm Margaret Joki Mogo. My YouTube channel. Subscribe. Kindly share to your friends. I'm new to YouTube. I'm doing my best. Wow. You can see the porridge. In my side there is a pot where we shall put our porridge. Tutaweka kwa hiyo kibuyu. Tunaita Kenya in our Hembu language. In our Hembu language. Wow. And sugar. And sugar. Wow. Kindly subscribe. Lazima tutafute hiyo kiongoro ya dishi ndio tufunike nayo hiyo pot. Sijui inaitwa aje in English. Our porridge is ready. Porridge is ready. Ready. We stir a little to make it cool. Then we add our porridge in our pot. We add our porridge in a pot. Wow. Remember, in Africa we use pot to put porridge. Then we cover our pot with kiongoro. In our language, Embu language, we call it kiongoro. I don't know in English. Venye inaitwa. Sasa tunafunika nayo. Tunafunika the pot with hiyo kiongoro, tunafunika hivyo. Wow, those are our maize, roasted maize accompaniment. Wow, yummy. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section. Comment whether you do. Those are our maize, our green maize in our farm. Wow, kwenye tumetoa mahindi, tumetoa hapo kwa shamba, direct from the farm. The porridge is ready. Let us enjoy together. Wow. Those are ripe bananas, roasted maize accompaniment for breakfast. Porridge, ripe bananas, and roasted maize for breakfast. Accompaniment is porridge. Wow. These are delicious. Very delicious and nutritious for breakfast in the morning. Wow. Welcome. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. You can see the firewood. An African queen. Wow. You can see. In the villages we live a simple life. We use firewood. Our sufuria are black in color outside. Wow. Kindly, if you are new to my channel, subscribe. Like, share, and comment. Wow. You can support our channel. Our number is on my bio. You can support our channel. Wow. You can see. This is an African pot. We serve all the cups together and enjoy. And enjoy. Wow, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for your continuing support. Thank you so much. Share widely to your friends. Enjoy. This is our new video in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Let me know in the comment section in your villages, how do you cook porridge for breakfast? How do you accompany porridge with accompaniment? Wow. In our villages, we are accompanied by porridge, ripe bananas, and roasted maize. Thank you. Thank you. The food is so yummy, delicious. Wow. They have beans. Wow. Welcome and welcome back again. Welcome. Subscribe, share, like and comment. Wow. Unji ni ya wimbi mwere na mofia in our language and bembe. Bembe ya maize. Wheat sorghum. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This is our sheep in the field. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.